Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So let's just straight dive into the topic. So my topic would be what is a life insurance, and when we get to know about the what a life insurance is, we might get scared because there are always a confusion what to buy it, what not to do, and I'm sure आप ये पूरा वीडियो देख के समझ जाएंगे व्हाट आर द थिंग्स आई एम कि हम मुझे क्या लेना है, मेरे लिए कौन सा बेनिफिट रहेगा. आई विल बी टेलिंग दी ऑल टाइप ऑफ पॉलिसीज, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज, एंड व्हाट इज़ अ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एक्चुअली, हम क्यों कराते हैं, हमारे लिए क्यों बेनिफिट होता है. तो आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो आई एम होप आपके सारे डाउट क्लियर हो जाए कि आपको कौन सा खरीदना चाहिए, आपके लिए कौन सा बेनिफिट रहेगा. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टेट अगेन, start the topic. So, life insurance. As we all know, let me tell you a definition first. It is a contract between insurance policy holder and insurance company, as we all know that is. So, basically, there are only a two type of life insurance plans which the Indian government is providing: pure protection and protection and savings. Don't now right now I will be telling you a basic detail so that you can get the idea. There's a saying, if you don't understand something, don't invest in it. But let me tell you the basic idea so that you can get to know about all the policies. So there will be a pure protection, then another is protection and saving. What is pure protection plan is a design to secure a family future by providing a lump sum amount in case in your absence. And what is protection and saving plan? A protection and saving plan is a financial tools that help you plan for your long term goal, like purchasing a home, funding your children education and more, while offering the benefit of a life cover. ये सारे एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में आते हैं कि काइंड ऑफ सेविंग प्लान्स भी होते हैं, जो मैं आपको अगर टाइप्स में बताऊंगी कि कौन से सेविंग बोले जाते हैं, कौन सा प्योर प्रोटेक्शन होता है. So factor right now I will be telling you the factors that affect life insurance premium. What are the factors we have to keep in mind? Age, one of the prime factor that affect the premium for life insurance. एज अफेक्ट करती है आपके प्रीमियम को. सो that you have to keep in mind that life insurance premium is lower for the younger people and gradually increase with the increasing of your age. Gender effect करता है. Study has shown the women live longer than men, therefore the life insurance premium is lower for women as compared to men. It is what it is and we have to accept it. Then health condition. Your present and past health condition can determine the premium of your life coverage plan. And if you have any pre-existing illness or have suffered from illness in the past, they may resurface or affect your present health, and you would be charged a high premium because you will be covering some amount from that, so they will be charged high premium. Family health history also affect the chance from serving from a disease that run in a family are considered high. So in any hereditary illness known in a family, you may have to pay a higher premium. Smoking and drinking alcohol play a major factor because lifestyle habits like smoking and drinking can impact your health and lead to multiple health issues, as we know. And therefore insurance company charge a high premium for individual who smoke and drink alcohol. And type of coverage you can get is type of coverage you can offer and can increase or decrease the life insurance plan also. If you add any riders to your plan, then premium would increase. The longer policy term can also result in high premium compared to a shorter term. And in addition to this type of life insurance plan you select also impact the premium. For instance, term life insurance is the most affordable form of life insurance you will get because it is for the age of, because we will have to pay the lowest premium in the term insurance, which will be I'm explaining you the next next in few minutes. Amount of coverage: a higher sum assured would result in a higher premium, and a lower sum assured would result in a lower premium. It is as simple as that, nothing to be in a very complicated. आपको मैं लेमन लैंग्वेज में समझा रही हूँ जिसमें समझ में आ सकता है. एंड ऑक्यूपेशन. If you work in a high risk job, the premium for a life insurance plan would be higher than other. For example, if you work in a construction or your job puts you any kind of risk, such as regular exposure to chemicals, or if you're working in a construction company, then insurance company will charge a high premium. And the benefits we were having in a life insurance is financial security. Of course, financial security is there when you buy a life insurance policy. The insurance company charges a premium in exchange for providing a financial securities and wealth creation. And it can be wealth creation also because it gives you a savings. Tax benefit, of course, we have tax benefits. A life insurance plan offer multiple tax benefit. Premium paid towards a life insurance plans are deductible up to 1.5 lakh per annum under Section 80C. So, we have seen all the factors that affect the premiums. Right now we can get to the understand some commonly used term in the life insurance. There's a some term. There is a term. First, you have to understand the terms. What are the terms? Then you can get to know about all the types. Life assured. What is a life assured? It is a person who is covered. If you are taking a policy under your name, so you will be the life assured who is covered. No, you will not be the life assured whom you are taking the life insurance policy. It will be covered. And prosper, it is a person who pay the premium of the policies. For example, if you have a, तो जैसा कि अभी हमने देखा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस क्या होता है, उसका क्या फ़ायदा होता है, उसे क्यों लेना ज़रूरी होता है। अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी इसके कितने टाइप होते हैं, आप कौन सा खरीद सकते हैं, विच वुड बी बेनिफिट फॉर यू, एंड आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन इन सम वे दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द कंस्ट्रक्ट or what these life insurance policies are made for, which one would be benefit for you, or which one make you the most of it out of it, और सो सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा देने वाली आपको आपको क्या ध्यान में रखने चाहिए, आप किस एज ग्रुप में आ रहे हो। देन आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन यू ऑल इन दिस वीडियो। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो 5 टाइप होते हैं जैसे अभी मैंने आपको बोला। फर्स्ट इज टर्म इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी। तो टर्म इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी क्या होती है? ये एक इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी, एंड इसको एक प्रोटेक्शन प्लान भी बोलते हैं। तो इसमें लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट आर द फीचर्स। मॉनेटरी कंपनसेशन विल बी पेड टू द नॉमिनी और बेनिफिशियरी अंडर द पॉलिसी होल्डर। इसमें सिर्फ आपके जो मॉनेटरी कंपनसेशन है या तो नॉमिनी को मिलता है या अंडर द पॉलिसी होल्डर जिसमें आपने नाम लिखवाया है। इसका बेनिफिट्स आर ओनली पेबल व्हेन द डेथ ऑफ द पॉलिसी होल्डर, एंड इफ पॉलिसी होल्डर सर्वाइव देन नो मैच्योरिटी आर पेबल। दैट्स व्हाई इट्स सो फेमस। और ये आपका फीचर होता है, मैं बता रही हूँ आपको कि इसमें क्या क्या होता है। और इसमें एक फ़ायदा है कि इसमें मोस्टली इसमें सारे के सारे जितनी भी सिचुएशंस होती है वो कवर हो जाती है। पॉलिसी होल्डर कवर मोस्ट सिचुएशन, जैसे सिकनेस हो गया, आपका एक्सीडेंट हो गया, तो इस लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में ये सब कवर हो जाता है। बट जैसा कि सभी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में होता है, कुछ एक्सक्लूजन होते हैं। और ड्रंक ड्राइविंग करते हो अगर तुम पकड़े गए तो तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा कवरेज। एक्सीडेंटल कोई तुम्हारा एडवेंचरस स्पोर्ट चल रहा है वो, क्योंकि तुम तो उसमें भी तुम्हें कवरेज नहीं देते हैं। और ये टर्म इंश्योरेंस काफ़ी पुराना है इसलिए थोड़ा फेमस है। तब से लेकर अब इसमें एवोल्यूशन भी आए, काफ़ी तरह का रेंज तुम्हें प्रोवाइड कराते हैं, जैसे सम अश्योर्ड हो गया, एज कवरेज, टाइप्स ऑफ पे आउट, पेमेंट स्कॉलरशिप। तो ये फेमस किस लिए है? आई थिंक तो ये फेमस इसलिए है शायद क्योंकि ये ऑफर करते हैं लोवेस्ट प्रीमियम, वन ऑफ द लोवेस्ट प्रीमियम एंड द हाईएस्ट कवरेज। इस टर्म इंश्योरेंस में आई थिंक यही सबसे एक मेन पार्ट बैठता है। अगर आप एक लोवेस्ट प्रीमियम है, एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे लेते हैं, इफ़ यू आर द एज ऑफ 35, एक नॉन स्मोकर, और वो एक टर्म इंश्योरेंस प्लान ढूंढ रहा है, तो फॉर एग्जांपल HDFC अगर वो 2 करोड़ का कवरेज चाह रहा है अपने लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पे, तो उसको HDFC का जो रेगुलर प्रीमियम है उसको सिर्फ 1600 देना पड़ेगा। ICI प्रीमियम है उसको 1880 देना पड़ेगा। मैक्स लाइफ है उसमें उसको 1537 देना पड़ेगा। तो that's the offering this term insurance provide you, so it can be benefit for you now। इफ़ तुमने अगर नहीं खरीदा है अभी तक, और या फिर तुम्हें खरीदना है प्रीमियम टर्म इंश्योरेंस का प्लान आपकी सैलरी से, तो ये तुम्हें कब लेना है पहले हम ये पता करते हैं। तो हम ये प्लान तब सही रहेगा अगर हमारी जो सैलरी है उससे 15 गुना जो हमारी सालाना सैलरी आती है उससे 15 गुना अगर हमारा प्रीमियम बैठ रहा है तो हमें टर्म इंश्योरेंस प्लान ले लेना चाहिए. वो हमारे लिए बेनिफिट रहेगा इफ़ वी आर एट द एज ऑफ 30 to 40. So it would be benefit for this. And the next policy is whole life insurance policy. So this policy extend life insurance coverage until the demise of the policy holder. This policy provide you the coverage until the demise of the policy. तो जैसा हम बात कर रहे थे होल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी के बारे में. इस पॉलिसी में क्या हो रहा है कि होल लाइफ पॉलिसी इज ए स्टैंडर्ड डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन. इट कैन बी एक्सटेंशन ऑफ टर्म इंश्योरेंस. एक इसका फीचर हो सकता है ये कि इट कैन बी द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ टर्म इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी फ्रॉम 99 years to 100. Nothing is paid out other than the death benefit in this policy, but there are additional benefit we can you guarantee from this policy. I can guarantee you it is maturity benefit, survival benefit, and the bonus. So whole life policy generally structured. It is a kind of have some structure in it. What the structure will, I will tell you right now. So they pay a premium for unlimited number of years. If they pay for 10 to 15 years, then for limited years, then your life coverage policy will be continue. And if you have 100 of if you lived up to 100 years, then if you die within 100 years, then it will be given to your nominee. But if you live above 100 years, then you will get the this insurance benefit from you, and with some bonuses also. And if you die, this benefit will go to the nominee with also the benefit. And what will happen after the full payment? You will get yearly survival yearly benefits. So there you go, we go, life coverage मिल रहा है, maturity benefit मिल रहा है, yearly survival benefit मिल रहा है. And in some cases bonus का क्या होता है, different application पे उनके different needs होते हैं, तो उनके अपने 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 पॉलिसीज रूल्स होते हैं. तो आई थिंक माई एडवाइस वुड बी टू रीड ऑल दोज इंस्ट्रक्शन व्हाट विच दे हैव रिटन इन द पॉलिसी. So it will be benefit for you. And one more thing I will advise everyone should be before buying an insurance, life coverage, health insurance, or investing in some mutual fund or stock. If ultimately you don't understand it, then it would be a best idea, not better to buy it. Because if you don't understand the policy or store market you're investing it will not be benefit for you. It will be a burden, or it will be a headache which you have to do something yearly. So my advice would be not to buy it if you don't understand it, and if you understand it, which I will try to do, so then but do buy it. तो अब बात करते हैं एंडोमेंट पॉलिसी के बारे में. इस पॉलिसी में क्या होता है कि इफ नो यू नो देर आर सम time when we want to save some money, and we might find some way to do that. So in this you also can do that by also buying insurance coverage, and if you want to save some money, then this will be a benefit for you. So endowment policy is the policy which, apart from covering the life of insurers, also help the policy hold save regular out of period of time. So as I told you, it could be a saving also apart from your insurance coverage. So this money that is saved is given in the lump sum amount when it is matured. As I am telling you that your money will be given you at it's a lump sum amount after the maturity. This type of policy is pitched as a saving plan, and it always linked to some kind of future plan. ये एक आपका saving plan के जैसे आपको pitch किया जाता है, और हमेशा एक इस पे ना future का आपका saving depend रहेगी हमेशा. तो एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं एल आई सी. राइट नाउ व्हाट दे डूइंग इज द एजेंट सेल अ पिच टू द कस्टमर्स सेट दैट दे कैन डू द एंडाउनमेंट पॉलिसी फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, क्योंकि हमें फ्यूचर का सोच रहे हैं. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि फॉर द चिल्ड्रन इट विल बी बेनिफिट फॉर देम, मे बी दे वॉन्ट टू स्टडी और इफ दे वॉन्ट टू गेट मैरिड, सो दे डोंट हैव टू बी वरी अबाउट द फाइनेंशियल, if how can we will arrange the money for the marriage or for the education purpose. So it will be taken from the endowment policy which they will open when they will children, and at the time of maturity, we could say 15 or 20 or 30 years, they will with the right age of marrying. So when that money will be get when the money will be taken, it will be kind of as a saving. So what I'm saying is endowment policy is have some benefit that comes with the life cover paid to a nominee, and if he doesn't die, then he will get some amount of maturity and the bonuses, which will be bonuses are not always the same. You get bonuses with the different policy with different rules. So what I can say about the purpose point of view is endowment policy are not wealth creation. Wealth creation is something different, but it can be say that they're the saving instrument which tax friendly policies. I think the main part is tax friendly policies, which is I am highlighting because it is a very important. So I think endowment policy, I think I can make you understand what is endowment policy. So we'll go to the next policy, which is money back policy. Now let's talk about the money back policies. So I think you can understand with the catchphrase is money back policy, and it is one of the popular among the these agents because it provide money back guarantee, as it, the catchphrase is saying. So how it is constructed? Money back policy is constructed in a two variants: policy term for 20 years and policy term for 25 years. Now let's just talk about the 20 years, then I will talk about 25 years policy, what it is. So for 20 years policy term, we have to pay the premium for 15 years, not 20 years, and we will get some benefit out of it. There are four benefit. As I can say, that death benefit, we will get if the death of the policy holder, the nominee will get 125% of the sum assured, and survival benefit will get 20%, and after if maturities happen, then we will get 40% of the sum assured. And there are some also another benefit, that is a tax benefit and low returns we will give. So I think money back policies are those जिसको इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करना होता है, जिस दे डिडंट वांट टू बी इन अ वेल्थ क्रिएशन इन्वेस्टमेंट, दे जस्ट वांट देयर मनी टू बी इन अ सेफ साइड. I think for them money back policy is suitable, at is providing you some kind of saving also. So I think I will suggest this money back policy.